In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use app.photroom.com to effortlessly transform your images by changing their backgrounds. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this tool makes the process straightforward and efficient. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to app.photroom.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a friendly and intuitive interface designed to make your editing experience as seamless as possible. Your first action here is to look for the Create button, which is prominently positioned on the home page. Click on that to get started with your photo project. After you've clicked on Create, your next step is to select the photo you wish to edit. There should be a button labeled Select Photo. Click on it and a File dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse and choose the image from your computer. Once you've located and selected your desired image, confirm your selection and the app will take over. The magic of Photoroom really shows itself here as it automatically removes the background of your image. This automated feature is a tremendous time saver, particularly if you have a busy schedule or if you're not particularly fond of manual editing. The software algorithm effectively detects and excises the background, leaving you with a clean cutout of your subject. It's both quick and reliable, helping you focus more on the creative aspects of your project. Now that you have a beautifully isolated subject, you can move on to experimenting with new backgrounds. Click on the Backgrounds tab to view your options. Photoroom gives you a comprehensive array of choices, suitable for any type of image you might be working with. Whether you're looking for something plain and professional, abstract and artsy, or photorealistic, there's bound to be a background that meets your needs. Among the options available, you can select an AI-generated background, a solid color, or upload a custom image. If you're unsure which to pick, take your time to explore these categories. Each option presents its own unique strengths and can dramatically alter the look and feel of your image. Once you've narrowed down your choices, it's time to commit to a background. Simply pick one from the menu that complements your subject and vision for the final image. Remember, Photoroom allows you to experiment with different looks, so feel free to try out multiple backgrounds to see which best suits your aesthetic goals. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to transform images using app.photroom.com efficiently and effectively. This tool opens up a realm of possibilities for creativity, making photo editing accessible to everyone. Enjoy your new skills and let your imagination run wild with your next project.